Thank you for stopping to watch my video today. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, U.S. entrepreneurs, franchise owners, U.S. professionals, U.S. tradespeople, and also self-employed how they can stop paying federal and state income taxes legally with the Business Spendthrift Trust. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. Today's example is a gentleman who started as consulting several months ago in 2025, and we're using his numbers of $130,000 filing single. He's at 24% tax bracket. He's planning on doing a whole lot more this year. Let me share my screen. He's planning on doing a whole lot more this year, but we're just using $130,000 for now. At 24% tax bracket, for the full year of 2026, he's going to save $23,798. Oregon state income taxes is an additional $11,131. And for the full year, it'd be $34,929. Divided by 12 months, he started this trust in June, so he's going to save $2,910 in June, $2,910 in July, $2,910 in August, again in September, October, November, December. And then he will not pay any federal or state income taxes in 2027 and so on. With the Spendthrift Trust, he can use his money to put back into his consulting business, to pay off his mortgage, buy a new vehicle, take his family on a well-deserved vacation, give to his favorite charity, or save for retirement. It's his money. When he started the Business Spendthrift Trust, he's now a private client of a law firm that was started 78 years ago, where not a single trust has ever been audited. They're so confident in what they do. It was started by a Harvard law professor. Now his grandson and great-grandson run the law firm. They'll give you a certification saying if you get questioned by the IRS, they will defend you free of charge. In 78 years, it's happened one time only. The senior IRS agent approved it. When you start the trust, we get you a new EIN number. He was set up as an S Corp. We're highly suggesting he shuts that down. That's state law. Anyone can go online to the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission and research it by either his name or the name of his S Corp. 40% of LLCs, S Corps, and C Corps get sued every year. We give him a letter to take to the bank to open a new bank. When he consults, his clients are going to pay this new bank account either by credit card or by invoice, or however he does this. He's going to have access to this money by a debit card, or he can go into the bank or an ATM, take money out. With the Spendthrift Trust, he will file a 1041 tax return when he does his 2025 taxes. So for the first 5 months, he's going to file a 1040 tax return and do all the deductibles he can, how much he's paying for his cell phone, for his home office, for driving to clients, or parking at the airport, and so on and so on and so on. The second half of, for the next 7 months, he's going to file a 1041 tax return. Doesn't have to worry about deductibles, but because he stops paying federal and state income taxes legally. If you want to find out more, I'm going to share my screen again because I want you to get this information. So if you want to find out more, I'm going to ask you to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me at www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. And I do have a free class with a full presentation on the Great Discovery. When you go out to www.thegreatdiscovery or use my name, www.sallygimmon.com, you're going to register as a free learner. The class is called Save U.S. Taxes Legally. You're going to get a presentation, 3 articles from Forbes magazine I did not write, 2 pages of case law so you can research this to your heart's content, and examples of clients saving thousands of dollars. My goal is to teach as many 1099 income earners how they can stop paying taxes. I cannot help W-2 income earners, but Google says 35% of W-2 income earners have a side hustle. That was me. Back in 2019, I was working as a Medicare broker, and then I wholesaled 4 properties and then got fired. Long involved story. I did the right thing. I helped a woman. I was licensed in New Mexico, but we were only supposed to be selling things in Texas. She had moved. But that real estate and any investors, that would be the beneficial trust. So if you're making at least $100,000 a year in 1099 income, you will save 5 figures in taxes. The gentleman who just started this trust just said, hey, I'm using $130,000. I think I'm making more than that this year, but we wanted to show him how much he would save. Please set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. I will take you out to NerdWallet, show you the formula for how to federal taxes, and then we will find out how much your state income taxes are. 43 states have state income taxes, 7 states do not. Again, the Spendthrift Trust is an IRS Tax Code 643B, and I'm teaching you the secret of the rich. I hope you have a beautiful day and enjoy 4th of July on Saturday. Take care. Whoops, I got to end this.